Hi, so we are today at the Startup Energy Transition Festival here in Berlin in Kulturbrauerei, and this is an event where some of the most innovative startups that work in the energy transition were chosen, and they are being awarded awards and matched made with investors. I want to talk to you about one very interesting thing, and this is the Internet of Things in energy. So first of all, what is Internet of Things? The Internet of Things is basically when you have machines that are capable of talking to each other. This means that they send data. And when it comes to energy, this predominantly concerns smart meters and energy efficiency in your homes. And also actually demand side management. So what does this mean? It means that you have a smart meter in your home, and this smart meter picks up how much energy each of your devices in your home consumes and communicates that to a third party, which is a utility for instance, that provides you with electricity. So what does this enable? This enables a system where your energy usage can be optimized. So for instance, the energy usage of your home, or if you're a business owner of the machines, is reallocated, let's call it like that, to another time of day when we don't have a peak load, but when the load on the grid is actually smaller. And then this means that the whole strains on the electricity grid get smaller, and the electricity consumption gets more distributed over the day. This is one, for instance, application which has a lot of potential, but there are certain obstacles on the way of getting us there. And the first obstacle is actually to have smart meters. So currently our homes don't have smart meters, so we need a rollout of smart meters, and here in Germany this is being regulated by the state, by the government. So homes will have smart meters. But the second thing is that your home and your bills and your electricity is being managed by utilities, and in some countries these utilities are incumbents. They have been there for years, and they want to stay there. This is, for instance, the situation in Croatia, Serbia, countries like that. In Germany this is not completely so, but still there are four biggest utilities that have the biggest shares of the market, and this is E.ON, Vattenfall, NBEV, and then RWE. What's happening is that basically these utilities are kind of preventing innovation from coming, and they're doing this by basically not sharing the data that they have from their users with innovative startups that want to apply their business models and actually do something about the Internet of Things in the energy industry. This is actually one thing that we got today from a workshop where we participated, which was organized by Vattenfall. A second and very important thing that we also got from this workshop is that users, they don't have the incentive necessarily to engage with this technology. So think about engaging your mother or your grandmother or somebody who maybe is not so technologically adept in using a smartphone and responding to, for instance, price signals that you receive on your phone from your utility, or changing the temperature of your home before you arrive, and so on. I have a personal experience with my aunt that barely knows how to use her simple thermostat and asks me every time to fix it for her. So this is another big obstacle, the consumer engagement and actual use. And so that's more or less actually the messages that I want to convey to you from this event today. If I think about what is a third big obstacle that I cannot think about right now in this moment, I will convey this in a separate video or comments to this video, but this is more or less it. And we would love to hear from you and your opinions about how the digitalization in the energy industry is penetrating in your countries, and what your countries and your utilities and your governments are doing to actually bring digitalization to your energy systems.